Pulses are integral part of our diet. By pulses I mean beans, lentils and peas. Some people cannot digest pulses so they avoid eating. Here are 4 tips for those people. At first, try soaking overnight or at least 4 hours to release the phytates, tannins, anti-nutritional compounds, gas-forming compounds and purines from pulses. Secondly, remove the froth layer formed over it when we boil it to make it further digestible. Third tip is try skinned pulses first in low amount and then gradually you may increase the frequency and the quantity. Fourth tip is try fermented preparations out of pulses like idli, dhokla, hanvo, dosa, etc. as probiotics are more gut friendly. Lastly, one pro tip to create the diversity in our meals include at least 5 pulses in a week.